हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका गोलू बज़ में। इस चैनल पर आपको मिलती हैं एजुकेशनल एंड मोटिवेशनल वीडियोस, तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें ताकि सभी अपडेट्स आपको मिलती रहें।
तो दोस्तों, पिछले लेक्चर में हमने डिस्कस किया था बुद्धिज़्म एंड जैनिज़्म, जो कि लेक्चर नंबर 3 था, और आज हम लेक्चर नंबर 4 में डिस्कस करने वाले हैं मौर्यन एंड गुप्ता डायनेस्टी। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। नंदास डायनेस्टी founded by Mahapadmanand, and he won different kingdoms like Mithila, Kaling, Koshala, Patliputra. His army include 2 lakh soldiers, 10,000 cavalry, and 3,000 war elephants. During 326 BC, Alexander invaded in India, and Dhananand was king that time. Emperor Chandragupta Maurya 321 to 298 BC. Chandragupta Maurya was son of Murra, in Sanskrit language Mauryans. This dynasty expanded from east to west by Chandragupta, and their capital city was Patliputra. Chandragupta defeated Dhananand and married to Drudara and blessed with son Bindusara. Around 305 BC, Seleucus Nicator invaded his territory and captured 4 provinces: Kandhar, Peshawar, Herat, and Lahore. In this battle, Chandragupta Maurya defeated Nicator and married his daughter Helena. Chandragupta made gift of 500 war elephants to Nicator, creating Indo-Greek friendly relations. During his reign, first Jain council conducted by Stulbhadra, and later on he went to Mysore, Shravan Belgora. His minister Kautilya wrote Arthashastra, collection of economics, politics, foreign affairs, and treaties with kings. Arthashastra discovered by Shamshastri. Nicator's ambassador Megasthenes stayed for 6 years in Indian territory and wrote book Indica. Chandragupta succeeded by Bindusara. Emperor Bindusara 298 to 273 BC. He expanded his dynasty to south, and his prime minister was Kautilya. Bindusara attained title Amitraghat, literally means slayer of enemies. In his reign, Greek ambassador Damchos visited with purpose of trade of fig and wine. Damchos said for Bindusara, he was a man who captured land between 2 seas. Bindusara sent his eldest son Shushim to suppress Taxila revolt, but he failed to suppress the revolt. That's why he sent governor of Avanti, Ashoka, and Ashoka captured Takshila and became successor of Bindusara. Emperor Ashoka 273 से 232 BC. Ashoka Vardhan Maurya, son of Devi Dharma and Bindusara. He was great monarch who captured Ujjain and Takshila. He made 5 capitals: Takshila in north, Ujjain in west, Swarnagiri in south, Toshali in east, and imperial capital was Patliputra. During Ashoka rule, 30 million population and 30,000 cavalry, 6 lakh infantry, and 10,000 war elephant was present. Ashoka married to Devi and blessed with daughter Sanghamitra and son Mahindra. His 5th queen was Kaurvaki, whose son was Divara. Kaling War 261 BC. Ashoka released order to attack on Kaling. In this war, 1 lakh people died and 1.5 lakh departed from their house. After this battle, the attitude of Ashoka towards life changed. He adopted Buddhism religion with help of Mogliputra, who arranged Third Buddhist Council at Patliputra. Ashok employed principle of ahimsa in his empire, and hunting was banned. Ashok sent Sanghamitra and Mahendra to Ceylon, Sri Lanka, to convince Sri Lankan ruler Devanampiya Tishya for establishment of Buddha monastery. Ashok preached Buddhism religion with help of inscription, rock edict, 14th rock edict, 7 pillar edict and 13 cave edict. Ashoka inscription analyzed by James Prinsep, who explained inscription written in different languages like Brahmi, Kharosthi, Greek and Aramaic. Rock edicts. In first rock edict, Ashok explained principle of ahimsa. In second rock edict, he explained animal behavior and treatment. In ninth inscription, he explained first journey from Patliputra to Bodh Gaya. In 13th rock edict, Ashok explained Kaling War. And these rock edicts are present in Girnar, Shopara, Kandhar, Kalsi, Kalinga, Sarnath and Maski. In Maski rock, he attained title Buddha Sakya. This rock inscription located at Raichur district of Karnataka. In Sarnath inscription, Ashoka attained title Dharm Ashoka. Pillar edict 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th. Taken from Allahabad, Meerut, Topara to Qutub Complex, Delhi by the King Firoz Shah Tughlaq. There are about 26 caves in Ajanta Ellora, out of which 13 caves have Ashokan inscriptions, out of which 6 caves painted. The last ruler of Mauryan dynasty was Brihadratha. When Mauryan Emperor Brihadratha was not capable enough, his army general Pushyamitra Sunga assassinated him. He established Sunga dynasty and तो दोस्तों पिछले लेक्चर में हमने डिस्कस किया था बुद्धिज्म एंड जैनिज्म जो कि लेक्चर नंबर 3 था, और आज हम लेक्चर नंबर 4 में डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। रूलर मेनांदर इंट्रोड्यूस गोल्ड कॉइन्स इन इंडिया। कुशान्स। रूलर कनिष्का, ही कंडक्ट 4th Buddhist Council and his scholar was Charak and Varamir. Wrote Brihad Samhita. Gupta's dynasty. This dynasty made by Sri Gupta and dynasty reviewed by Ghatotkacha. His reign considered golden age of India. During their reign, astronomy and philosophy flourished. Their scholar Aryabhat explained principle of mathematics and astronomy. Emperor Chandragupta I, 319 to 335 AD. Chandragupta I believed in marriage policy for expansion of his empire. He married to princess of Lichavi clan Kumar Devi and princess of Magad. He attained Magad in dowry. He captured Prayag and Saket. and attained title Maharaja Dhiraj, literally means king of the kings. He was succeeded by Samudragupta 335 to 375 AD. According to historian Vincent Smith, he was known as Napoleon of India because he won more than 100 battles. He captured Kota and attained title Prithviya Pratham Veer. He was patron of art, used to play veena, and he was a poet himself, attained title Kaviraj. He was follower of Vishnu and his emblem was Garud. In his reign, Sri Lankan ruler Meghvarna visited his court to establish first Buddhist monastery. Also, Samudragupta construct gold railing around Bodhi tree. Samudragupta adorned with gems. Harisena wrote Prayag Prasiddhi. Vasubandhu, he was a Buddhist monk. Asang was poet. He was succeeded by his son Emperor Chandragupta II 375 to 415 AD. Chandragupta II married to Dhruva Devi, queen of Ramgupta. He blessed with son Kumar Gupta and daughter Prabhavati. Prabhavati married to Rudrasen II. Rudrasen defeated to Shaka ruler Rudrasimha III. Chandragupta captured Ujjain, become his second capital. After this battle, he attained title Vikramaditya. He was the first ruler who issued silver and copper coins. On these coins, a person playing veena image engraved. He established Har Ki Pauri at Haridwar. Chandragupta court adorned with gems. Kalidas, he known as Indian Shakespeare, and he wrote Abhigyan Sakuntalam, Meghadutam, Kumar Sambhavam, and Raghuvansam. Sudraka, he wrote Mrich Katikam. Vishnu Sarma, Panchatantra. Aryabhat, he wrote Surya Siddhanta, Aryabhatiya. He invented zero and algebra. During Chandragupta rule, Fahien visited India and he introduced Silk Route in Sikkim. Emperor Kumar 415 to 455 AD. He was follower of Hindu and worshipped Kartikeya. He changed emblem Garud to Mayur. Their reign considered as peaceful and prosperous of Gupta dynasty. During his reign, Ashwamedh Yagya performed successfully. During his reign, Mongolian Hunas tribe attacked on Gupta Empire. In this battle, Kumar died and attained title Mahendra Ditya. He was succeeded by his son Skandagupta 455 to 467 AD. He was the last important ruler of Gupta dynasty. He killed ruler of Sunga dynasty. Skandagupta also defeated Hunas tribe, but the integrity of Guptas was destroyed. He was succeeded by weak successor Vishnugupta Kumargupta II, Narasimha Gupta बालादित्य। तो दोस्तों आज का ये लेक्चर हमारा यहीं समाप्त होता है, जो कि लेक्चर नंबर 4 था। नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम डिस्कस करेंगे लेक्चर नंबर 5 में दिल्ली सल्तनत।
मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ गोलू बस की तरफ से दिया गया यह वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा, तो वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करें और यदि कोई प्रश्न या सुझाव आप हमें देना चाहते हैं तो कमेंट ज़रूर कीजिएगा। आगे की अपडेट्स पाने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। धन्यवाद।